Hi guys, it's your boy Kiru, back at it again with some yapping session na naman. And tonight, I don't know, I just wanna yap about anything, about everything, about sa mga nararamdaman ko recently because, you know, everything is getting heavier na naman and it sucks sa totoo lang kasi nararamdaman ko ulit na, wala akong mapagsasabihan ng mga nararamdaman ko. Although, alam ko naman na I have my friends, but I am But nasa point ulit ako ng sarili ko na nahihirapan ulit ako mag-reach out sa mga friends ko for help. And I don't know, bro. I just feel like I am isolating myself again from everything. But yeah, anyways, to start everything, to start my app about everything that I am feeling right now. Number one, somehow, somehow, hindi pa rin gaano nagsi in sa akin na I got cheated on by my ex-girlfriend. Yeah, sabihin na natin naka-move forward na ako. Just a little bit. Maybe it shows na naka-move forward na talaga ako totally. But if I'm gonna be honest, I feel like kung i-rate ko from 1 to 10 kung gaano na ba ako naka-move forward sa nangyari sa akin is siguro mga 6 out of 10 pa lang. And I know hindi siya magiging madali because that experience was, I think, the worst experience of my life so far because I didn't expect myself to, you know, to be a victim of cheating because all my life, although I'm not saying that I am a perfect boyfriend or I am a perfect person, but I always choose to be kind and I always choose to do the things that I should do as a person and as a boyfriend. But again, I am not saying that I am a perfect person nor a perfect boyfriend. I have also my shortcomings as well and hindi ko yun dinedeny lahat. But then again, I believe, naniniwala naman ako na, alam mo yun, kahit papaano naging mabuting tao naman ako. Ever since that I was born, kahit papaano naging mabuting tao pa rin naman ako. Again, hindi ako perpekto, but still, I know for myself that somehow I'm a good person. Diba? Yet, kahit na ganun, diba? Life, and life put me into that kind of situation, into this situation actually, because I am feeling it continuously and hindi lang siya basta-basta nawawala kasi it stays. It stays. I swear to God. It fucking stays, bro. Like as in, hindi lang siya yung parehas ng, ano mo yun, kinabukasan, paggising mo, wala na. Tapos na lahat ng nararamdaman mo. No, it fucking stays, man. Every night, every day, even every second, papaisip ka, lalo na't ganito, na mag-isa ako. Eh, every time mag-isa ako. 'Di ba? Although sanay na ako. Sanay na akong maging mag-isa. But there are times, bro. There are times, most of the time, when I am alone. Especially when I am alone. I relive every moment, every feeling that I've felt nung nalaman kong niloko ako ng ex ko. And yeah, bro. And may mga times din na siyempre hindi ko maiiwasan na tinitignan ko pa rin yung mga story archive ko sa IG. And it makes me wonder. It still makes me wonder why. Hindi ko pa rin masagot yung tanong na bakit nangyari yun, bakit ginawa yun sa akin, even though she already answered it, but I was never satisfied sa sagot niya because I believe there was never a valid reason for cheating. Kasi oh my god, kasi gaya nga ng sabi ng OIC namin kanina kung saan man ako nag-OJT because we had a deep talk about her life kanina. And yun nga, she said that cheating is a choice. Sinabi niya rin niya na siya nga kung tutuusin kaya niya mag-cheat but hindi naman niya piniling mag-cheat. So bakit gano'n? Ako din naman, kaya ko rin naman gawin 'yun, but I didn't. I mean, I shouldn't kasi hindi naman talaga dapat, 'di ba? It's not a flex. It's not a flex ha, na hindi kayo nag-cheat sa partner niyo kasi gano'n naman talaga dapat. Hindi siya hindi siya flex. It is how it is how it's supposed to be. You're supposed to be loyal, you're supposed to be faithful, 'di ba? Hindi siya flex, yung hindi pagche-cheat, hindi siya flex, bro. But then again, yeah, I don't know, bro. Like, why do people cheat, man? Like, it really sucks, bro. It really sucks. Kasi ngayon, personally, I'm struggling. Nagsistruggle ako. Nagsistruggle ulit akong magpapasok ng tao sa buhay ko. Although, yeah, I still talk to, other people. I still talk to them. I mean, nakikipag-usap pa rin naman ako. Nakikisalamuha. But when it comes to, to intimacy, to love, it's hard. Although, yes, of course, mahirap kasi bago pa lang lahat. Kahit nasabihin na natin na 4 months pa lang yung nakakalipas. Siyempre, bago pa rin yun sa akin. And ako personally, whenever I end a relationship or whenever I get out of a relationship, it usually takes me takes me 1 to 2 years to to actually let people enter my life again romantically. Although yes, I'm open to, I am open, but I just feel like I just can't right now sa totoo lang. I just can't, bro. And that makes me sad because tangina sorry kasi bro, I used to be I am so full of love. I used to be like that. I am so full of love. Although yes, till now maybe I am still full of love but not that much anymore because yung pagmamahal na lang na natira sa akin, actually hindi pa siya sapat for myself. And bro, I just cannot fathom the fact that I got cheated on. Kahit mga kaibigan ko nagulat actually. Kasi alam nila na alam nila kung gaano ako magmahal. Alam ko din kung gaano ako magmahal and imagine bro, imagine lahat ng 'yun just for me to be cheated on, 'di ba? Although, I don't know, hindi ko alam. I don't know actually. But anyways, ayun lang sa part ng relationship stuff. Hindi pa rin gaano nagsi-sink in sa akin na naloko ako. Yeah. Anyways, yung susunod ko na yap about sa mga nararamdaman ko recently is about myself, I guess, or sa OGT ko. And siguro maikli lang naman 'to kasi I don't know actually. I'm just gonna fucking yap. I don't care. Ako kasi, personally, I love to be myself. I know myself. Kilala ko sarili ko. Kilala, alam ko kung ano yung kaya kong gawin. Alam ko kung ano yung hindi ko kayang gawin. Kasi pinaghirapan kong kilalanin yung sarili ko and I am continuously learning and knowing myself. Learning myself. Basta, I am continuously, you know, I am continuously studying myself because day by day, ang daming nagbabago sa sarili ko, ang dami kong natututunan, ang dami kong hindi natututunan, ang dami kong nakakalimutan. And I just don't understand why there are some people na they would mock you for just being yourself. Like, oo na, weirdo na ako, cringe na ako, I know. Bro, I fucking know that already. Corny ako, yeah. Yeah, bro. Maybe I am fucking autistic or something, sorry. But maybe I have an ADHD. So what? Diba? So what? So fucking what? Yeah, I can dance. Yeah, I talk like this. So what? So what, bro? So fucking what? And although, don't get me wrong, kasi I feel like, I feel like, nasabi ko to sa friend ko yung kanina, it's a sign of success actually na may mga tao ng nagsasalita about you behind your back. Like they're talking about you behind your back. And it's a fucking sign of success, man. It's a sign of success at totoo lang. And yeah, bro, whatever. Whatever actually. Nagugulat lang ako kasi this is my first time, you know, experiencing this again. Kasi ever since, wala naman akong naririnig about myself, you know, being talked, or wala naman akong naririnig na parang pinag-uusapan yung pangalan ko sa mga lamesa na wala ako, 'di ba? Or maybe meron, 'di ko lang alam. But ngayon, nalalaman ko thanks to some people because they care for me. I don't know, or they just don't care. So they're somehow telling me na ganito ganyan. But yeah, bro, I just really don't understand why some people are like that. Like kasalanan ko ba na kaya ko maging ako? And bro, like we're already, 22, 21, ba? This is the age where you should be trying to discover yourself instead of focusing on other people. Try focusing on yourself because Maybe until then, you would realize that you are lacking. Maybe until then, maybe you would understand that you are lacking about something. And maybe, ma-realize mo na, oh, fuck, like, I should fucking improve that about myself. Instead of, uy, si ano, ganito siya kanina, di ba? It's fucking pathetic, bro. 2026 now. And although, man, like, I'm not, di ako naghuhugas kamay, but it's fucking pathetic, man. Especially when the person you're trying to mock is just trying to be themselves, di ba? But yeah, yun lang. Yun lang sa sarili ko. And actually, I'm proud of myself and I'm fucking proud of myself kasi, despite of everything that has happened to my life, despite of everything na experience ko recently, I'm still here, bro. I didn't myself, although malapit na, but kinakaya ba naman? Pero don't worry, hindi ko kayang gawin yun kasi I don't have the fucking balls to do that. I am not selfish enough to do that. Yeah. Although I am not saying, okay, I'm not saying na selfish yung mga naggaganon. It's not their fault. It's whatever. You know what I mean? But yeah. Yeah, bro. Yun lang. Ang sarap maging ikaw. Promise. Ang sarap maging, it's nice. It's great to be just you. To just be. Although, ang contradicting kasi recently, I've been holding myself back of just being myself because I don't know, bro. It's really hard. Mahirap. Mahirap, promise. I'm having a hard time on just being myself just because I don't know what's holding me back, but yeah, I'm just being as of the moment. I'm just letting myself do what I want to do, although not really, but yeah, but yeah, whatever, 'di ba? Pag wala nang masabi, whatever na lang. And damn, it feels good to be talking again sa harap ng camera with this mic. 18 minutes na yung video. 18 minutes say yung video and it really feels good. Actually, I wanna write about something but I feel like nasabi ko na dito lahat ng gusto kong sabihin and I am gonna upload this on YouTube again. And yeah, should I public it or should I just private it? I don't know. Maybe I'm just gonna private it or sige, public ko na lang and then later on, I'm gonna private it kasi wala lang. Maybe baka kasi gamitin against sa akin yung mga sinabi ko dito. Although, may imagine na may basher here. Ay nang alam, aray ko po tayo. Ay nang alam mo naman talaga kung sino eh, no? But yeah, ayun lang guys. It really feels good to be talking like this kasi man, I don't know. I just I just love living and I am grateful that I am alive right now. But yeah, yun lang. Have a good night and I love you. I love you, Kiru. I love you, Ivan. And I hope you'd be watching this 10 years from now. Bye! By the way, I am already 22 years old. So, yeah, balikan mo na lang ito kapag 30 ka na or whatever. Kung buhay ka pa. Yun lang. Bye-bye.